it's me, it's here, and today we are going to be doing a Does It Work video. And this is going to be a series, so this is episode 1, so look out for more videos to come. So today we are going to be reviewing American Girl Crafts pedal pencil holders. And I'm so excited, it's brand new, so smooth, feels good on your hands. And these are my supplies. I have some scissors, just in case I have to open anything, like plastic. And I have some pencils, because it says the pencil holder, and I don't know if it comes with pencils, so I have to be prepared. So, I'm going to open this up, make sure it's nice and opened. There we go, nice and opened. So I'm going to open this up, and this is what it looks like right now. When I first opened it, looks very good. So it says on the front 4 kits, so like 4 different pencil holders. So I'm going to be doing one pencil holder, I'm going to pick randomly. Okay, so I'm going to, this one. So this is this pencil holder. Oh, it's the leaf pencil holder. So this is one package, and in the box, take all these other kits out, it comes with pencil holders and some stickers and instructions and a lot of pencil holders. Oh my good. A lot of pencil holders. So I'm going to put these to the side for now. I'm going to put the box down here, and then I'm going to start creating. So I'm going to first start off by opening the package, of course. I love how these have like the slider thing, so I won't have to cut anything. So let me just empty all this out. And it also comes with stickers. I forgot to take the head out. So it comes with stickers. It does come with pencils, so I won't need these pencils. So it does come with very pretty pencils. It comes with this foam. And these are the instructions of how to make yours. And then some stickers, some stem stickers, which I think you put on the pencil if you want it more decorative. And some 3D stickers with all these different pretty things. Some leaf stickers and some huge stickers. So, first thing it says to use the box stickers to cover the sides of your box. So first things, you have to decorate your box, which I'm excited about because I love decorating. So you have to decorate your box. Nice, pretty box. That looks cute. Butterfly. It's very cute. And this would be a good add-in to put like in your room, or like if you need supplies to do anything, you just grab this. And then at the first part, it had these American Girl stickers where you can label your pencils, which I'm gonna do that at the end. So it could be like the finishing touch. So I'm going to put this to the side. This is my decorated pencil case. But before, I'm going to add one more sticker just to make sure. So I'm going to put it on the back like this. It's not even because I don't know how to put it even, but it's really good. I like it. So the box decorating, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because it comes with all these different kinds of things. So I'm going to put this to the side and create the pencils. Make your flower box even prettier by adding butterflies and flowers. That's what I just did. But I'm going to add one more just to make sure I have the whole thing covered. So choose a crepe paper bundle and pencil. So that means I have to choose one of these colors. And which one do you think I'm going to pick? Orange, purple, or this lilac color? I'm going to choose this color because it's so pretty. And then to match it, I'm going to choose, well, it doesn't really match, but it's very pretty. So I'm gonna choose this aqua blue color. And then it says, unfold the crepe paper bundle. This paper will become your flower petals. Ooh. And you unbundle this. Ooh. This is very hard to unbundle. I'm gonna use another one because I think I messed up a little bit. Okay, so it's just let me look at the picture just to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, I got it. And that says to stick one end on the pencil, and then to wind the entire crepe paper strip around the pencil, and hold the end in place with your finger. This looks so cute. And it says, use a long stem sticker right here to wind the sticker around the pencil, and keep moving the sticker down slightly as you wrap until the crepe paper is secure. So I'm guessing this helps it stick down and not move. So I'm going to hold it in place and use this crepe sticker, very fancy, to wrap around the pencil. And then of course, you have to sharpen it if you want it to work. And then it says that you're done and you can put it in your pencil holder. So I have my pencil holder. I'm gonna stick it right in the middle. And that's it for this video. I give this box a 10 out of 10, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.